Sunny. Today I'm going to share with you
8 ways to make a long-distance relationship work. By the end of the video, you will know what you can do to make the long-distance relationship work. So please keep watching until the end. I'm not going to lie to you, it's hard to keep an online romance. I speak from experience. Number 1. Once you both feel a strong attraction, don't chat too long. Too many online lovers think it's a requirement that they chat for hours just so they can be virtually married or something. However, too much sharing and mindless chatter, and you might actually exhaust all your in real life conversations before you even get a chance to meet. Instead, focus on improving the quality of your shorter chats rather than staying so long that you run out of topics entirely. Number 2, discuss the status of your relationship. Resist the urge to assume or to avoid talking about uncomfortable subjects. Too many problems are caused by couples who hide the truth or avoid difficult conversations, but you owe it to your partner to set some ground rules and explain your expectations and vice versa. Talk it over about whether you're both going to be exclusive or if dating other people is allowed. If one or both of you don't feel comfortable dating anyone else, what is the expectation? What is the goal? Marriage someday? Will one of you move to be closer to the other? How committed are both of you to staying in the relationship, even if your circumstances change? Number 3, use your imagination rather than establish an online routine. Routines are really boring, so why bother making routines online? Instead, be creative about finding new ways to interact online and about finding new topics of conversation. Watch movies together, send each other packages and handwritten letters, share pictures, share audio, talk on the phone, send videos, and visit through social media and webcam. Draw with each other, play online games, or take personality quizzes with just your phone. Your partner will miss your time together even more when you keep it unpredictable. Number 4, always be honest and not just about what you do, but what you feel. It's very easy to let thoughts, emotions, and secrets fester. These are passed to the dark side, or in less Star Warsy terms, they are what lead to problems with jealousy, paranoia, mistrust, and worst of all, apathy. That horrible numbness that precedes falling out of love. So always be open and willing to share. Don't be afraid to be honest, even if it hurts your partner temporarily. The focus should be on talking problems out, finding compromises, and reassuring each other of your love that can't easily be broken. Number 5, get in sync with each other's schedules. This means not only knowing each other's schedules so that neither of you has to worry if someone is late, but also planning to maximize your time with each other and giving you the best hours of the day. Obviously, you don't want to bug your partner while they are in a meeting or in class. And if something unexpected comes up, send a text message to let your partner know you won't make it. A Cyber Day text on a screen, though it may be, should be taken as seriously as the real date. Number 6, send each other gifts and keep them close by as personal objects with special meaning. This will do wonders if increasing intimacy and in whetting your appetite for more in-person communication. Whether you buy each other necklaces or exchange music or share a fragrance or whatever, these shared items are about enjoying the memory you are creating together. It doesn't all have to be text. You can create real memories by sharing something in the physical world.